Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm so excited because guess what? Dumating ang polish na in-order ko sa TikTok. So for today's video guys, ay i-unbox natin tong polish and titingnan natin kung maganda talaga yung product nila. Let us see. Let's open it. Anyways, nabili ko siya kasi sale siya. So, it cost me. So, ayan guys, please don't mind my eyelash kasi sobrang daming glue niyan. 99 pesos. Pero wala pa siyang kasamang pandikit. Tadaan! Super sealed. Super sealed. Ay, magpabukas. Ayan. Actually guys, etong eyelash ko ay hindi yan polish ha. Nabibili ko lang siya. Brand X. Oh my god. This... Oh my gosh guys, look at this. It's so pretty. So ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 pieces. I mean, oh my god, like, look. So, ita-try natin to kung super prete. Mga Ante Marie. So, ayan. Tatagtagin na natin yung kakabit sa akin. So, finally guys, nailagay ko na siya sa aking eyes. So, as you can see, compared dun sa kanina, sa Brand X, masyado siyang makapal and parang halatang fake, like, hindi siya natural look. And this polish looks so natural in my eyes. It's like, di ba guys, see the difference? It's all natural, like, super lightweight niya, hindi siya ganun kabigat, hindi siya ganun kakapal and everything. Talagang for natural look lang siya. Like this. So it comes with 5 pairs guys, only for 99 pesos. Kung gusto niyo bumili guys, ay nasa TikTok shop lang siya. So ayun lang guys, goodbye!